Hi, my name is Nancy. I'm an entomologist, which means that I study bugs, and I recently went to the Cloud Forest of Ecuador and found this cool bug.
This beetle is in the family Chrysomelidae, which is the leaf beetles. And I'm pretty sure you can tell why. They particularly like to snack on the large leaves of the plants in the genus Gunera, which are aptly named the poor man's umbrella. Gunera leaves have tannins, alkaloids, and phenols, which are all toxins, and we believe that the beetles can eat and also sequester these toxins to make the beetle itself toxic. These beetles are employing aposematic coloration or warning coloration. The fact that they're brightly colored and all grouped together makes them very obvious against these big green leaves, and they're so obvious that we actually stopped the car on one of my tours to look at them, and they have absolutely no predator evasion. They give it zero if you get close to them. And as you can see, they're quite destructive to these Gunera plants.